So when we mention the masculine and when we talk about the feminine, we are not talking about men or talking about women, because we're talking about the aspects, the energies of them. And of course, we will also discuss how those show up in behavior in men and women and how these are exhibited. So hopefully you will gain some understanding during this time of these two major principles that govern everything. Now, both of them are positive. They're just two different kinds of energy. So you can have this movement of chaos and then you have the order. So the masculine tends to define things. It tends to bring order. So this slide on the right is a masculine bringing organization and order and boundaries around the movement of the chaos on the left hand side. And the same thing with these puzzle pieces that are all in just a big chaotic mess, that they will move into their position and get locked in to something that you can then recognize as a form. So this is a very important concept to get around feminine and masculine, because we have these qualities within ourselves. And if you're a person that has trouble with order and organization, and you just seem to create chaos wherever you go, and you might be a very highly creative person, but often highly creative people say, I don't know how to manifest it. I don't know how to organize my time. I don't know how to actually produce something out of that high level of creativity. So this is the masculine and the feminine working together so that they can actually produce a result.